RSI, or Relative Strength Index, developed by Wilder in 1978, is a popular tool used in technical analysis to identify potential overbought or oversold conditions in a stock price movement. It is a momentum indicator that considers daily stock gains and losses during a specific trading period, providing a value between 0 and 100 with the equilibrium level at 50. It helps to determine whether a stock is more likely to continue its current trend or changing direction. Thus, it attracts many analysts to create RSI visual chart in different ways to support decision-making demands. Regarding the concept, interpretation, calculation, and the types of RSI, I have explanations in detail at my BI&Analytics website. I have placed its URL link in this video description for your reference. In the website, I have described 4 types of RSI based on its moving average calculations. They are listed as WilderMA RSI, SMA RSI, EMA RSI, and WMA RSI. The WilderMA RSI is the Wilder's moving average RSI, a default RSI calculation in all RSI applications, which offers a balance between responsiveness to recent price changes and smoothing out noise for a more stable RSI. In the website, I have explained how this RSI type has been calculated. The SMA RSI is based on simple moving average SMA. It smooths pricing data evenly over a specified period, can be less responsive to recent changes compared to WilderMA RSI, and potentially leading to slower identification of trends. EMA RSI employs the exponential moving average EMA, which places more weight on recent prices, making it more reactive to market movements, but potentially more prone to false signals. The WMA RSI apply weighted moving average WMA, which allows customization of weight distribution assigns weights to past price with more emphasis on recent ones, offering a level of responsiveness between WILD RSI and EMA RSI. In this video, I shall first focus on demonstrating a way in Power BI Desktop on how to calculate the 4 types of RSI through Power BI data transfer by R script. Later in coming videos, I shall share a way on how to create stock price RSI analysis charts by which we can compare the different types of the indicators. Okay, let's get started. In the Power BI Desktop example file, we have the dataset table with extracted stock price data columns, trading dates, stock code, and close price. In Data View, in right-hand side, choose the table, right-click it, choose Edit Query. In Query Editor, changing the data type of the trading date to text format in order to be identified in R script environment. On top ribbon, choose Transform, then choose Run R script. In Run R script editor, let's load the library TTR, reassign the Power BI dataset to new named variable. Convert date format as our environment required. Calculated RSI for each type and add corresponding columns. The first quote line, it adds a new column named RSI SMA to the dataset by calculating the average over specified close price and stock code group from the dataset. While calling RSI function with input arguments, which are the subset of close price corresponding to each stock code group, the 14 days window, and the SMA type of the moving average. Then we copy the line code and paste it 3 times. For the first pasted code line, do the modification on RSI name from RSI SMA to the RSI EMA. Then modify the MA type from SMA to EMA. Now we had this code line ready for RSI EMA creation. Repeat the modifications on second pasted code line for RSI WMA creation. For the last pasted code line, as the WilderMA RSI is the default MA type of the RSI function, thus we just changing the name of RSI and remove the input parameters for MA type in this function. That is a simple R script ready for running. Click OK to run, and we get the new 4 columns in dataset table. Close and apply the changes. Place the 4 indicators in same line chart. We can compare the difference of them now. That is all about in this video. Thanks for watching. In coming videos, I shall share the methods to draw the RS line chart in Power BI Desktop. Please do not miss them by your subscription to my channel. See you in next video.